Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the performance of Google Chrome in less than 30 seconds. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So once you are on Google, all you have to do is you need to click over here and click on settings. I've already clicked on settings, and then you will need to go in this performance, and as you can see they have this option called as memory saver. So Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. So whenever you are working on a specific tab, Chrome will focus on that tab, and that tab will be very fast and rest would be inactive. So once you switch tabs, then this tab will be active and the other one would be inactive. So I will simply go ahead and click on here, and now the performance as Chrome has increased. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.